Watch out, people. Just at the bottom of Jacob's Ladder, ready for our climb up to Swinesback this evening. We've got picked a lovely night. It's quite a special weekend because it's Colin's birthday! It's his birthday! Untuck your shirt, look at that, Fled. But do you know how old he is? Have a guess. What do you reckon? How old do you think? That's right, he is 47! 47! My age, we're obviously old school friends, so. Well, old school acquaintances. Yeah, we managed to drag him out this weekend. Got some new gear to try, haven't we, Cole?
We've got some new gear.
We've got, well, it's a cone stove setup called the Storming Norman, which we're really looking forward to trying. And
double Storming Norman.
Yeah, two. Colin saw, well, we saw him on Black Cat, I think.
Black Cat, 73 cat.
And we see he had one, so, and they make them to your pot size, so, oh yeah. So we're going to try it.
14 quid.
Did you wear that? How much is the Caldera cone? 60
something quid.
60 something quid, 14 quid. We're trying that. And I've also got, look at this. This is the Gossamer Kumo. Shall we sing it? Hakuna Matata. Yeah. And yeah, so that's it. So far so good. I'm really enjoying the carry. Good.
What bag have I got?
Oh yeah, Colin's bag.
Why bother?
This is the
22.
The Ultra Tour 22 Montaigne.
22.
But you're struggling with that, aren't you, mate?
Yeah, it's my shoulders.
Look, there's no padding on these.
It's just nothing
whatsoever.
Nothing.
It's probably made for a day pack though. I'm not rubbing it in, Colin, but we have got to face the ladder next. Are you ready? A birthday. It's not his birthday today, it's tomorrow, but you know, we're nearly there.
Miles an hour is the highest. Yeah. It's taking off! Did I get a new bag to try out today, and obviously the Storming Norman cone, but I also got a little something from PhD. Peter Hutchins Designs, finest down specialist you can get for your money. These guys are absolutely superlative. They've just released a new bag and it's called the Vario. It's a little bit wider on the top. It's got baffles on the top end of the bag, and you're meant to wear it with a down jacket. It just saves weight. It's 450 grams, something like that. It's incredibly light, and mine, it goes down to 0 degrees. And I just want to say a big thank you for PhD, because I managed to get it here this week, so I could actually take it tonight. So I appreciate that. My wife rang up and asked the fine people at PhD if they could get it for, and they did, and it came up Thursday. So thank you very much for that. And I'll just show you it because it is. I'll tell you how it performs tomorrow morning. I'm going to take a picture. Bye.
the sky! Wow!
Manchester.
What music do you want to put over that?
I don't know.
Happy birthday to you! That is that. Happy birthday to you! That is also very nice. Happy birthday, dear Carly Wally Colin. Fuck. Happy birthday to you. Morning, mate. We're up, it's Colin's birthday. And guess what we've got to try today? Storming Norman in the morning. Storming Norman in the morning.
Storming Norman in the morning.
This is our new stone cone stove pot and stand. That's my Alpkit 650 pot. Slurp, slurp.
Is that your morning voice?
Hey.
You're very tired.
Yeah, I'm very tired.
It's not flowing.
No, it's last night's alcohol. Isn't it? See, all fits in to the pot. See, Colin's getting his out. He's got exactly the same. So I'm going to set it up, and then I'll get back to you. Yes. Well, that's it. Set up. It didn't take long, did it? Really? Double dipped. Double dipped. And look, the fit in. An absolute treat. As you can see, fits the pot magnificently.
It's spot on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Done all right, hasn't he?
And the actual burners, we didn't realise when Colin ordered them that you get a burner with it, did you?
Oh, for that price.
For that price, and the burners, fantastic. Yeah, brilliant, isn't it? So yeah, Caldera cones, move over. Just one thing, Stormy Norman, do us a version in titanium. Swinesback done. Off the list, Colin, off the list.
Off the list.
And after Colin's birthday camp, which has been a superb one, hasn't it?
It's been good, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been really good. The last night, the stars was just totally mind-blowing, weren't they? Brilliant. I had the wettest pitch in the world. I don't know if you can see how squidgy it was where I was. Fucking hell, it's bad.
There.
Ah, shit. Oh, dear. But yeah, do us a favour, people. What do we say, Colin? And leave no trace. Yeah, don't leave any trace. I think this place is beautiful, because it is beautiful, and it should remain beautiful. Have a bit of respect, people, have a bit of respect. Anyway, it's good. I'm sure you all do. So yeah, see you later. Stay back, Colin. Have a good time.